Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello dear students, how are you today? I hope you are all always happy, healthy and spiritful. Well, now you have been at 12th grade, right? It means you will soon graduate and enter the new world, whether you are going to continue to university or entering the world of work. There is one important thing that you have to prepare beforehand, especially for those who are going to get a job soon. Do you know what is it? Right, application letter. Alright, let's get started. But beforehand, let's say Basmalah first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Then for this meeting, we are going to focus on writing application letter. And here is an example for you. Let's pay attention first. Dalam sebuah surat lamaran pekerjaan, ada apa saja sih yang kita tuliskan? Di sini sudah ada ditandai dengan angka 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Apa saja informasi yang Anda tuliskan di dalam surat lamaran pekerjaan? First, yang ditandai dengan angka 1 di sini adalah Lilis Handayani. This is applicant's name. Include with applicant's address. Jadi bagian pertama di upper part, you write your own name and your complete address. Kemudian di bawah applicant's name and address, you write date of writing, tanggal penulisan. Kemudian di berikutnya yang ditandai dengan angka 2 di sini adalah Mr. Frank Peterson, personal manager. This is employer's name and also the address. Oke. Kemudian di bagian berikutnya adalah Dear Mr. Peterson, this is salutation. Salutation. Kalau you tahu siapa nama employernya atau nama si penerima suratnya, maka you tuliskan Dear Mr. Peterson langsung dengan namanya. But if you don't know the name, you can just write Dear Mr. or Madam. Kemudian di paragraf pertama dari surat lamaran pekerjaan, you write the reason of your writing. Kenapa Anda menulis surat tersebut? You express that in the first paragraph. Contohnya di sini, I'm writing to respond, or I'm writing to you in response to your advertisement, bla bla bla. Kemudian di paragraf berikutnya, di paragraf pertama tadi reasons of writing, kemudian di paragraf kedua atau ketiga, depends on how many paragraph do you write. Di paragraf ini, you sell yourself. Maksudnya apa? You tell the employer about your working experience as well as your qualification or your competence. How good you are or how qualified you are. You write it in the second or third paragraph. Kemudian di the last paragraph, you usually request for interview, but you can start with thank you for your time and consideration. Ini nanti redaksinya depend on your own style. Tapi isinya adalah tentang request for interview, include your contact information or how can the employer contact you, whether by phone number or mail address. Kemudian di bagian terakhir, of course, you have to sign the application letter. Okay, that's it. Right, it's time for you to practice writing your own job application letter. Use this job vacancy as a reference. Gunakan iklan ini untuk menjadi acuan dalam penulisan surat lamaran pekerjaan Anda. Oke, sebelumnya here are some expressions that you can use in your application letter. Di paragraf pertama, reason for writingnya you can start using I'm writing to apply for the position or for the post of, I'm writing to apply atau I'm writing in connection with, it depends on your style. Kemudian to start your education or qualification, you can read it here, and also working experience and closing the letter using this expression. Ini bisa digunakan nanti di saat menulis surat lamaran pekerjaan Anda. Okay, enjoy your time. Make sure you do this assignment well. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.